you're awarded a claim by your insurance company, do you have to accept it? I'm Jill Horner. This is Comcast Newsmakers. With me is Trinidad Navarro. He's the Delaware Insurance Commissioner. Thanks so much for being with us.
My pleasure.
If we get a claim from our homeowners or insurance, auto insurance, health insurance, do we have to accept the amount given to us?
You do not. And sadly, many folks think that once there's a claim filed, the insurance company awards some sort of check that they think they have to accept it. And the truth is, we have arbitration available in our office who can help with that process. Last year alone, to claimants, we returned about well over $800,000 to people here in the state of Delaware.
Is there always recourse? Do we, in these instances, if someone does file a claim and they go through this arbitration process, is there always recourse?
Yes, there's always a resolution.
Okay.
So it doesn't necessarily mean that we always rule on the consumer side, but the lion's share of the time we do. And it's one of the challenges we have at the Delaware Department of Insurance is to educate the community about what we do. Because many sadly think that we sell insurance. And so they don't know that we're there to stand up for them in cases like this where it could be an auto accident where the insurance company is only awarding a certain amount and the claimant thinks that the car's worth more or the claim's worth more, so they can come to us through our Consumer Services Unit and try to resolve that. And if it's not resolved through our Consumer Services Unit, then we can assign to arbitration.
And with arbitration, talk to us about this process and how it actually works. If a consumer wants to go through this process, is interested in this process, how does the process then work?
So after it goes to Consumer Services, they can go online. We can help them with that process to file, to ask for arbitration. And then we have an expert in our office who is assigned to, this is what they do. And there's a small fee for homeowners and car insurance. It's about $50, and for health insurance, it's $75. But in many cases, I'll just give you one quick example. We had an individual who had a car accident. The car was totaled. They were awarded about $8,000 for the car. They believed the car was worth $10,000, so they came to us through our Consumer Services and arbitration, and they were awarded about $9,500. So that's just one success story that I can speak of, that it just goes to show that it doesn't hurt to call. And in many cases, they're awarded much more than that small fee that we charge for arbitration.
And with that, you mentioned homeowners claims, auto insurance claims, health insurance claims for any reason other than a denial based on medical necessity can potentially go through this process as well? It
sure can. And again, at the end of the day, this is what we do. We stand up for consumers. Insurance companies, sadly, they have the attorneys, they have all the money, the lobbyists. Who do we have in Delaware? Well, you have the Delaware Department of Insurance.
And you have an arbitration panel as part of this process?
We do. And again, like I said before, there's always a resolution. And folks really don't have anything to lose if they feel they've been harmed in any way. And that's what we're really good at. And
people can reach out for more information as it relates to this. They can contact your office.
They can contact our office. They can send us information online. Our number is 674-7301.
Thanks so much for being with us.
You're welcome.
We've been talking with Trinidad Navarro. He is the Delaware Insurance Commissioner. I'm Jill Horner.